Hello pumpkin people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going back to TJ Maxx and Homegoods to see what they have put out for Halloween. I've already posted a video, I will link it down below. Anything that I saw last time, if it's still in store, this time I kind of skip over it. So if you see something in the background that I don't showcase, check out my last video and it's probably there. So I thought this purple ghost was so cute. Purple's not my preferred color, but I just like how they're doing some different fun, unique ghosts because there are a ton of them out. So it's nice to see some variation. And I just thought this frog on the jack-o'-lantern was adorable. This is $19.99 and it does light up. I love this witchy snow globe with the kind of creepy hands. That style has been very popular the past couple years. And this is probably my favorite haunted house that they have. I love just the traditional colors and look. This is made out of a thick cardstock, so it's a little bit more delicate than these ones next door. We're going to get a close-up later of this black one, and I shared the white one in a previous video. Now this bat basket comes in two different sizes, as you can see here, and this, as well as the spider and the spider web I'm going to share next, really give that kind of Pottery Barn vibe. So if you're one of the people that loves that kind of sophisticated Halloween look, I feel like you will like a lot of what Homegoods and TJ Maxx have to offer. A lot of you guys really liked the Wicker Witch hats in my last video, so here are a couple more options. And then they had this collection of metallic pieces. A lot of it is bug themed, and these spider candle holders here remind me of these higher end ones from Terrain that are quite a bit more expensive. There's just some really good classy pieces in here. I really like a lot of what we're seeing. My store has started to get in a few more larger scale pieces like these kind of witch broom signs for $40 and the full-size skeletons. I found this Dracula bust as well as a few others that I'll show you guys later on. I'm not sure if these are still super popular this year like they were last year, but I saw somebody buying them and she was really excited to find them, so maybe they are. You guys will have to let me know if you know. But these Pumpkin Village pieces are so cute. These ones are really well done as well. Like the paint looks good, the quality is good, the price is right. There's a lot of detail, so I love those. These ones actually might be my favorite. I think I said earlier the cardstock one was my favorite, but those ones, I don't know, I really like them. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but these two large skulls are actually part of a bench. That is a bench right there. So we are getting Halloween furniture at Homegoods. My friend Brittany actually sent me a picture of that. Brittany from the Davis Manor. Shout out to her. You guys should go check her out if you're not already following her. But she sent me a picture of that, and I was not expecting to see it in my store. But they had it, and I thought it was pretty cool. So there are these mirrors here. These remind me of the very popular ones from the at-home store. And then they have this very like cottage witch sort of skull situation here. It has real moss on it. I believe it lights up, and this is $24.99. I really like these cloches that they have here. The bat one is my favorite, but I do like the raven and the skull. However, I feel like you could easily DIY this with your own cloche or a cake stand with a dome. In fact, I think it would be a better idea to buy a cloche or a cake stand that are not Halloween specific so that you could DIY in them for multiple seasons. I also found this large tombstone, and he is so cool.
Get out while you still can.
My store had some of the more pastel type pillows. These 2 packs are $40. Bad Witch Energy is cute. It is $17. And then I found this huge snake pillow. Have you guys seen this yet? I've never seen this. I wonder what they're going to come up with next. They're just getting more and more creative with these oversized kind of icon pillows. And then there were a few blankets at my store. These are all very neutral. I think they're really nice and could go with any style because they are neutral. I saw this kind of ugly sweater one comes in the classic like orange and black color, so I'm keeping my eye out for that one. I might have to get it if I come across it. I don't know, we'll see. You guys will have to let me know if you like the pastel Halloween, the pinks and purples. You know, it's not my preferred color palette. I'm always going to do black and orange, but I'm happy that this stuff is out for other people because As we've seen, there's a million ghost options. There seems to be a million options of everything. And so I like that there's something for everyone, but this ghost with the black pumpkin and the witch hat is a little bit more my speed. They also have this like kind of witchy hand with the tarot card. I've never seen this before. I thought this was really unique. But while I was filming in this area, an employee was trying to set up, so I wasn't able to get everything, but I will be back to this HomeGoods probably this coming weekend to see if they put anything else out. So now moving on to TJ Maxx, I found this adorable snail with a skull shell. This is so cute. I wish this was outdoor safe. It has like a battery and a light in it though, so I think it would probably get ruined, at least the lighting function if you put it outside, but I feel like that would be so cute in a garden. We saw this haunted house at HomeGoods, but here's a closer look at it. I really like the style of this, but I don't love the paint job on it. It's only $16.99 though, and these resin pieces are so easy to repaint. All you need is some acrylic paint that you can get from the craft store or Walmart, whatever the cheapest paint is. I actually did a DIY last year on a resin piece like this. I found a couple of dogs that are very similar to this one right here, and I repainted them to look like my Chip and Dory. So here's a picture of the before and after and what Chip and Dory look like if you're new here. And it was just a very easy DIY, and it was so fun. And now I have these custom pieces that look just like my dogs. Just wanted to remind you guys or let you know that that's an option so that you can create something totally unique and custom to you. So they also have these skeleton hands. I love the rings on this. I thought that was so pretty. This is $12.99. I really like this ghost. He's very different. I love how his arms are spread out and like how the sheet is spread out with him. I don't know if that makes sense. He just has a very cool shape. He's $9.99 and he does light up. Okay, so we have seen a ton of ghosts, and I have to say that these ones here are by far my favorite from both videos that I've done, all the different stores I've gone to. These ones come in 3 different sizes, and they are quite substantial. I love how these ones light up from within and their whole body lights up. So they are truly glowing like how you would imagine a real ghost would glow, whereas the other ghosts that light up, they light up through their eyes or something like that. These ones just have a lit from within look. Here's a size comparison of all of them, and the other thing that makes these very special is that they have a very realistic linen texture in them, so they really look like fabric, and I just think it's so cool. I think the price is right on those. Those are hands down my favorite. Sadly, I did not get them though. I'm trying to be good this year and not only stick to a budget, but be very selective about what I'm getting, and I'm just not sure exactly where I would use those. So for now, I have left them behind. The last thing for today's video are these book boxes. We typically see these as an individual book, but they have them in trios now, and I like this because I think you can actually fit things inside of these and use them as real storage boxes, whereas it was hard to fit anything in the single book boxes. So I like that they're doing that. These come in 2 sizes. And that's all that my store had. I will be back again very soon for sure. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to do that so you can be notified of my next video, and I will catch you in a future video. Bye now.